You can't cheat the grind. It knows how much you've invested, and it won't give you anything you haven't worked for. I have no desire to prove anything by dancing. I have never used it as an outlet or a means of expressing myself. I just dance. I wasn't naturally gifted in terms of size and speed. Everything I did in hockey I worked for. The highest compliment that you can pay me is to say that I work hard every day. Procrastination is one of the most common and deadliest of diseases, and its toll on success and happiness is heavy. I skate to where the puck is going to be, not where it has been. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. The day I stop giving is the day I stop receiving. The day I stop learning is the day I stop growing. A good hockey player plays where the puck is. A great hockey player plays where the puck is going to be. I get a feeling about where a teammate is going to be. A lot of times, I can turn and pass without even looking. I think the greatest thing about playing obviously is winning. And you can't replace that experience with anything. Hockey is a unique sport in the sense that you need each and every guy helping each other and pulling in the same direction to be successful. I'm probably the only guy in hockey who can win a scoring title, and everybody is saying I had a bad year. I don't worry about it. When you're playing an exhibition, you're kind of letting everyone get an opportunity.